or welcome back to my channel. I'm Rae of DivaMePlz, a beginner nail tech, showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along yours. Welcome to today's video. You already know what today is. It is announcement day of the 500 subscriber giveaway. I know you guys have been waiting to find out who is the winner, and y'all gonna have to wait just a few more minutes, okay? Because we have another unboxing of Nailboxy, and this is the April edition. So let's jump straight into this video so you guys won't have to wait too much longer. Okay guys, so this is, of course, what the box always looks like. And let's see what's inside. Ooh. Go ahead and take everything out real fast. Okay, y'all, so this is everything that you receive in the April edition of Nailboxy. You receive some disposable PEPM files for straight nail file, 180 grit. You receive 50 pieces. And then you receive a metal base for polishing nail file, 50. This is the Expert 50. And then you get a cuticle pusher. Then you also receive a metal base for straight narrow file, Expert 20. And then you receive some refill pads for polishing nail, 240 grit. It looks like you receive 10 pieces. Then you receive some nippers, as well as a case for them. And then you receive the nail file refill roll. This is 180 grit, but you will receive 150, 180, or 240 grit at random in your box. And then last but not least, you get a mystery egg with a surprise inside. So let's see what my surprise is. Ooh, some gold Swarovski crystals. So again, this is everything that you receive in your April edition of Nailboxy. I am so excited to be trying out these disposable nail files and buffers. I've heard so much about them, and I've seen other nail techs mention them. I just never got around to finding them. I actually tried to find them on Amazon, and maybe I just wasn't looking up the right terminology, but I could not find it for anything. So I'm so excited to try them out. You guys will, for sure see them in my videos, my upcoming videos. So make sure you stay tuned. And without further ado, all right guys, so now it is time to announce the winner for my 500 subscriber giveaway. This is what one lucky winner will be receiving: some practice hands, some Young Nails monomer, as well as 2 Young Nail cover powders. You'll be receiving some tips. I also included some glue. You'll be receiving some decal stickers, some gel polish, as well as some top and base coat. You'll be receiving some primer as well, some nail foils, some crystals, 2 180 files, and 2 80 files, as well as some striping tapes, I'm not really sure what you call these, but you'll get those too, girl. And I am just so excited for you. I know what it's like to be a beginner nail tech and not having many funds or much funds to be able to get quality nail supplies, but I got you, girl. This is for you. So, drum roll. The winner of the 500 subscriber giveaway is Summer's Wellness Journey. Yay! Congratulations to you. You are my one lucky winner. Make sure you DM me on Instagram your address so that I can get this out to you. So if you did not win this giveaway, please don't fret. There are many, many, and many more giveaways to come. Okay, y'all, so this is a few tips that I know I used to win the 2 giveaways that I won the end of 2020. I was commenting very often on the brand's page. I was reposting to my story like crazy. I was going on their Facebook page and commenting on those posts. On any new posts that they were uploading, I was commenting on those. I turned on the notification for that brand, so every time they posted a video, a picture, an IG video, or posted on their story, I wanted to be the first person to be on that post and letting them know that I was there for the giveaway. And not just letting them know that I'm there for the giveaway, also engaging as well. So if they have a post of their work, you know, I'm commenting, oh my gosh, beautiful work. I love the decals on those. I love the crystal placement on those. Just engaging and, you know, with that brand, letting them know that I actually am a real person. I'm not a bot or anything. I'm just trying to get noticed, and those what helped me win pretty much half of my collection. So make sure you guys use those tips next time, and even entering any other brand's giveaway, use those tips and you could be the winner. So alright guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below of what you'd like to see next. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at JannDo. Share this with your other beginner nail tech friends, and let's all grow together. Until next time, bye!